Today I'm going to be testing out these very affordable oil paints. There's 24 in this pack in a variety of different hues. I'll be testing all the colors out, showing you how they look when they're dry, painting a full piece on this canvas here right behind me. Alright, so let's get started. This set comes with this handy little sheet where you can test out all the colors. It has the names labeled on it. It's easy to go back and refer to this when you make your future pieces. Here's the end result, and I'm really enjoying the vibrancy of these colors. Now I'm going to use these colors here to create a landscape painting. First off, the paint is super thick, making me feel like it's going to blend very easily on the canvas. So here's the final result. I'm super happy with it. The oil consistency was great. It retained its vibrancy even after it dried, so I would give this paint a 7 out of 10. The price point is great too, so making it a good start for beginners or even people who already paint who just want to experiment like myself and don't want to waste a whole bunch of money on expensive stuff. Hope you enjoyed watching. Have a great day.